Osmo is taking a time lapse here. 10 minutes from there to there. You guys probably seen this place before. I have been here a few times with my ATV during summer and spring. But now I'm with my car. And it's winter and snowing. It's 2nd of March today. It's really beautiful out here when it's snowing. And out here by the small island, below here and the island, you can catch really big sea trouts during the spring. It's a popular place to be fishing sea trouts during spring for the whole fishing community in Norway. It's a secret place that all people know about. I haven't been fishing here for many years now, and I still haven't caught any sea trouts. My plan today was to make another video other than only snowplowing. I just wanted to show a little bit of the neighborhood. During summer it's a lot of people out here barbecuing or grilling and fishing, enjoying the day off, or after work they drive here with the family or during the weekend. And over there it's like 20 kilometers maybe to the city of Alta, where I live. And a high mountain peak here you can see. You probably can't see much. This place is called Russeluft, and Russeluft is from the name of Russia, or Russian. And the name got it from old days when one Sami guy he tricked the Russian to walk outside the mountain during heavy fog like today, or even thicker, and they died. My plan for this year is probably to change my YouTube name. The exploring name, it's like it's not much exploring I do. So I probably was thinking to change it to Arctic Time or something like that. And that's the reason why I haven't been having intro at my videos lately. And as you can see, it's not a drone weather. We haven't had a drone weather for many months. It has been snowing, raining and heavy wind and storm. Only yesterday was the last time we had a really strong wind or a light storm. And today it's really calm. I think it's like only 2 months left to where I can go out driving with my ATV again. Or less than 2 months. I can't really wait. Do you like this kind of content? Please comment below. My plan is to make more content like history and in the future. It's really quiet out here. See you next time. And hit the like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell button so you know when I'm uploading. And see ya. Bye.